Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we will see how you can upload a SCORM package that is having a large size. Suppose you are creating a SCORM package or it is created and the size of that SCORM package is going beyond half GB, 1 GB, let's say 2 GB, and this size get increase just because of the long video you have used inside that SCORM package. Not one or two videos, sometimes you use more than 20, 30 video, and the size will be increased accordingly. So in this case, your this uploading from here will not be much feasible in your case, because you will face some page hanging issue and internet fluctuation issue sometimes, and your package import may be disturbed. Then in this case there are many solutions, but today we'll be discussing around one solution, how you can upload your that package offline by using something like any FTP to your server, either in your code or model data. There are lots of options there, but today we'll be discussing around a file system, how you can upload your large SCORM package to that file system, and from here how you can import that. Okay, so currently you see here the content bank, server file, recent files, upload a file. So this will not be working in a large file case. Here, after enabling the file system, here you will find one more additional option saying file system. You can put your own name in case you need. So you'll be starting with that. So before continuing this video, let's see. I have found that most of the viewer are watching my video and taking benefit of that, but not subscribing. Okay, so if you subscribe my video, it will encourage me to create more and more video. As you can see the reports here, only the 7% subscription I am getting, and this is last 1 year of report. Okay, and it is not changing much with respect to the time. In the last 28 day, if I check, it has increased a bit. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please feel free to subscribe so that you will have the notification around the important video you might miss. Thank you for that. So let's begin with this thing. Okay, so the for starting with the file system, you will have to access of your Moodle data directory. Okay, so currently I am working with my local system, so that's why my Moodle data exists on my local system itself. Sorry. And this is the path of my this is my Moodle data path. So I will go inside my Moodle data. So this you can see, and under this Moodle data you will find this repository, that is repository. Okay, so under this you can create a directory name, whichever directory. You can create n number of directories. Suppose you have a multiple course category, and you have under one course category multiple courses. So in that case you also make the hierarchy here, so that you can segregate your content or arrange your content properly. Content means your SCORM package. Got it? So let's see here. SCORM is already a one. Let's see here, there is one more. Let's see category one. Okay. Now, so once you created the directory here under your model data, you will find folder or directory. You can say repository, and here you will create a directory here. Got it? In case you only want, you don't need this one, but yes. Now, after creating that, you can put all your SCORM packages here, and that SCORM packages should be in a extracted form, not here in a zip form. Okay. Now, from Moodle, how you can add here one additional option, so that you can browse the file from here. So let's get started with that. So once you will have the admin access, you can go to the site administration. Then under site administration, you you will have to switch to the plugins. Then this is a repository kind of a stuff. So under plugin, you will have to search for repository, and under repository, you see here these are the options coming there: content bank, server files, recent file. You see here lots of are coming from here only. Wikipedia, you can also see it is coming here. Now click on manage repositories and go inside, and here since that is the part of repository, so you will have to search for the file system. Got it? But this is Moodle data and this is repository, and that comes under file system. So currently you see it, this one is a disabled. Enable and make it visible. Okay, so either you can enable or hidden. Why this option is given? Suppose you have enabled all repository, but it is not properly created in a way the admin or teacher can use that content. So you can just make your setup properly and just enable, but the button is currently hidden. So ideally you should move ahead with this, but since I don't have to take much time around this, so I will go with this option only this time. Okay, so make it enable and visible. Check both the option. Allow admin to add file repository instance to a course. So this is something that means the admin can add any content from that repository to any course. Okay, configurable only by admin, and this configuration can be seen only by admin. Now the second what it says, second checkbox: allow admins to add a file system repository instance for personal use. So in both case, I want the check. Click on save. Got it? So for the moment, you can come here, and now you see it is enabled and visible. Now this is not done yet. So click on the settings, and here you will have to create a repository instance. So click on this button. Now you will find here all the directories created within this directory. Okay, suppose you have created 5 6 7 directory here under repository, so you will get the list of all these here. So this time I have to pick only the course SCORM one. Got it? And here this name is the your visible name, from which name you want to make it visible on this file picker area. For example, I am making this as SCORM in caps. Okay, my directory is in a small letter, but here I am name putting in in caps, capital letter. Allow relative file path. This allow all files in repository to be accessible using relative link. Yes, in case you want allow. Now you also see here that these folders are within this, so you can verify in case you are getting issue after adding this. Okay, so it remains the same where I am referring. So under my model data, this is my path. Then under repository, click on save. Now you can see this SCORM packages. Sorry, not packages. This SCORM repository here. Okay, since I have created that repository, so I will call it repository here. So refresh this page, and now under here you will find this option. So under SCORM, I don't see anything here, but for a moment, let me create a file or demo file. Now come again, click on SCORM. Sorry, reload this. click on this SCORM. Under SCORM, and demo file. Oops, it is not coming. So the normal file is not coming in my case. Okay. So let me try downloading a sample SCORM packages from internet and try extracting there on that path. Okay, sample SCORM package. Let's click on this one. Download SCORM. Yes, it is downloaded. Yeah, and I am going to copy this and make it inside SCORM package. Sorry, SCORM directory, and here extract. Correct. So I will delete this package one. So please make sure you are adding here your SCORM package in extracted form. Got it? So let's make it uh, my SCORM. Okay, my SCORM. Now, so for using this SCORM package, you'll have to browse this file, IMS manifest.xml file. So you have to browse there till the path of this file so that it will started working here as a SCORM package. Now, once you click on this SCORM, you find my SCORM is here, and then you can see IMS manifest file. Got it? So you can see here make a copy. So again, this option is going to take your more time. So I don't want to make a copy. I just only want to link to the file. Got it? So just select the file, and here you see it is browse now. Let me give it a name, from repository. Right? So this name I am going to put here. Now click on save and display. Yes, it is created. Now let me try doing the preview here. Since I have downloaded this one from Loadescape, you can see here the package is loading. Got it? You can do the next previous, yeah, and it show your score. So it all depends on your SCORM package, how it is created and how the content is aligned and how it is appearing on the page. So that's it. So here you can see SCORM. Let me try copy and paste in the search option. Search SCORM from repository. So click on this. You can see here. You just launch that. That's why it is saying start a new attempt or continue with the same. Let me try again. So this is how you can start with. Now the full option is also given to that package. So it's all working according to the package descriptions and the content. Right? Let me exit. Come again inside this one. Yes, you see here the number of attempt you have made too. Got it? So it is not just you are attaching that file and launching the SCORM. The data is also being recorded to your LMS. So this is how your long SCORM package can be used as a local path, but you'll have to make sure you are browsing till your IMS manifest file. Got it? Now suppose you have to create another steps here. So same way like we created for the SCOM, you can create here for another directory. Okay. Now I am coming here to create a one more directory. Let's say test inside SCOM, because this till this path it is coming here on under a browse. Got it? So under file also you can browse that in case you are putting any file there, because this is just a repository. Now you see the test is coming, SCOM is also coming in case there is a normal HTML page, or sorry, only the PDF is there. You just want to PDF from that SCOM package, just you can attach here. Yeah, for example this time I'm attaching the image only. Yes, it will be working. Image from SCOM. Got it? So there is no hard and fast rule, only your SCOM package will be working. Anything will be working till the time you have made a proper setup there. Got it? Now coming back to the course. So here you see I have created a new directory and I want to add some files here. Suppose I am going to add here a demo txt file. So can I browse this one? So let's see. So ideally the answer is yes, but let's see that whether it works or not. Again, come here. Anything like I am just searching for the file name, put just file name. Click on this SCOM under test. You see here the file. Either you can make your own local copy inside Moodle, or you can link to this. So ideally is this one, linking to a file. Okay, click on save and display. Yes, you can see this is the content of your file. Okay, so now, so my idea around showing this only the text file, not the SCOM, in my this last attempt was that suppose many times you will come to know, or you will be in a scenario here there are files that is released to the end user or student or learner, but there are some changes recursively you are doing. In case you just come here and you update, so in case there is some recurring level of changes, so it should be coming from so this kind of repository to save your time, your bandwidth and your speed. Okay, so here this one you can see in my last scenario the test is coming. Suppose I am making a change here, then what happens? Will this be changed to the new one or not? Let's see. So test, I am putting here the text after change or update, save. Now come back here on this page and refresh. Yes. So you see here you have not make any change. You have not made any change here. You just made a change in your file repository in that particular file and you see the change. Okay, so this is how this kind of scenario you are facing, so it is better to use the repository here. Okay, so today you see two steps here, how you can use the large file, not just the SCOM package. So large SCOM was my first scenario, you saw that how you can use that. You can set up a repository, file repository, and you can create your or upload your SCOM packages here. Please make sure you are adding the unzip one. Yeah, you have added there, then you unzip. That is not an issue, but it should be unzipped one. Okay, This is the same way in case you have large file. For example, suppose there is a one video you want to attach that is around 5 GB, yeah, 4 GB, 3 GB, 1 GB. So you can directly upload to, in case of server, you can directly upload through FTP, and you can attach here like I just attached this txt file. Got it? Now coming to another scenario, can I use this package directly without extracting? So let's also see that example. SCORM2. So I have this SCORM package, but this is not in extracted form. It's just a zip one. You see here, it's a zip file. Got it? So let me try accessing this IMS manifest file to make sure this MySCORM is working or not. Okay. So again, I am here to browse SCORM package, SCORM zip. Got it? So this is my repository SCORM and SCORM zip file. Yes. So whenever you are putting any file there, you can use that as a single entity. For example, you have zip one, that means a single entity, no matter how many files are inside that particular zip. So you'll have to make sure whenever you are using your SCORM package, it should be in unzip form. Okay, let me try unzip from here. Let's see what. Yeah, so it's unzip. Does that mean nothing happens? Oops, let me try that one, saving this one. Enter. Yes. So this one will also be working. Got it? So here, if I have used that particular zip, so I will not be searching for that particular IMS manifest file. I only browse for this SCORM package. Got it? But in case I have a zip one, I'll be using this IMS manifest file. But you will feel sometimes you might be facing some issue with uh, this zip one sometimes. So please make sure you are testing before delivering to your client. Got it? And if I check for the size of both, so in my this one is not a zip one, unzip one, that is 1.44, and my zip one is just in KB. Okay, 428. So if you are using a zip one, it also save your memory size, disk size it save. Now let me try using this one, enter. Let's see whether it is recording the access or not. This send to LMS. Now exit. Yes, I can come here. Yes, number of attempt you have made one, it is counting. So there will not be an issue with this using directly zip. But in case of zip, you will not be searching for IMS manifest.xml file. Got it? So again, I just click on the zip one. Let me try again one more time. Let me try this one. So SCORM package. Again, I will be putting a zip SCORM. Yeah, here, this, select file, save and display, enter. Yeah, so that clicking on that zip in the previous example does not affect anything. Okay, so this is how you can create. If I exit, I can come here, I can see the attempt count here. So now I think you might have been clear idea how you can use your large SCORM packages, not just SCORM packages, large file, how you can use through repository, and how you can enable the file repository there. In case you have another directory, you can create here. There is no limit of creating here. Okay, so that's all from from this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.